Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your platform's network basics, NAT type, firmware, and that Call of Duty is fully updated. Next, pick a reputable VPN optimized for gaming and enable split tunneling so only COD traffic routes through the VPN. Once done, select the target country server that matches the lobby region you want and run a quick ping or trace route to verify latency under acceptable limits. Make sure your account and console remain logged in while you swap regions so the game recognizes the new route. After connection, configure the router or device DNS if you need whole console VPN. This reduces leaks and forces all traffic through the chosen region. Then, on your platform, restart the console or PC and launch Call of Duty so matchmaking refreshes with the VPN's IP. Once the game loads, navigate to multiplayer and attempt matchmaking. You may see different playlists or player regions. If available, toggle region options or listen for location-specific voice languages and ping indicators to confirm you're in the intended lobby. To finalize, verify the lobby's region by checking in-game ping values, player language, and any server region tags. If ping is too high or connection unstable, switch to a geographically closer VPN server or change the VPN protocol from TCP to UDP for gaming. Make sure NAT remains open by forwarding required ports or enabling UPnP on your router. If matchmaking still fails, disable the VPN temporarily. Clear game cache, restart both router and console, then reconnect the VPN and relaunch the game as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.